the tracks, so it's a banger. Y'all hear me? 100 contracts walking, yes, so trade man sharp like a Bloomberg top. Coffee in a cup, portfolio pack. Futures me trade, live a whole a bad luck. Me no enter no position if me can't set a stop. Pull up the charts, then the market mash up. ES and the NQ a bus. Full of losing trade, but a profit me I go. Rich but we navigate the darkest drawdown. Charts and string, me no know how me turn up. Money can't fit in a one account, so me have to diversify it with leverage now. Trading upgrade, 100 million a futures account. PTR and run gains. Brooklyn traders don't know what the charts say. A long position, you see the trend from upstairs. The thing upgrade. A two contracts to attack out smart plays. Then ring on exchange. StellieTrades. I go a beat with some tough trade. StellieTrades. Sniper flop. 5 years I'm a stay at. Hot shoe. They set up tough and on a sideways drop. Atlanta me full of contracts. Portfolio fi stop. Me want the margin can't to stop. You can't go great without drawdowns. I know you fi want gains without capital. Me did get margin call. And low me crawl. Cheer for did broken bar. Trading upgrade. 100 million a term chains. Me PL and run gain. Bears don't know where the market's going. A bull on you see the wick from upstairs. The thing upgrade. 2 years contracts. So attack posters. Bell ring on exchange. StellieTrades. So go a beat with some tough trade. Yo, Stellie on the tracks, so it's a banger. Y'all hear me? 100 contracts walking, yes, so trade man sharp like a Bloomberg top. Coffee in a cup, portfolio pack. Futures me trade, live a whole a bad luck. Me no enter no position if me can't set a stop. Pull up the charts, then the market mash up. ES and the NQ a bus. Full of losing trade, but a profit me I go. Rich but we navigate the darkest drawdown. Charts and string, me no know how me turn up. Money can't fit in a one account, so me have to diversify it with leverage now. Trading upgrade, 100 million a futures account. PTR and run gains. Brooklyn traders don't know what the charts say. A long position, you see the trend from upstairs. The thing upgrade. A two contracts to attack out smart plays. Then ring on exchange. StellieTrades. I go a beat with some tough trade. StellieTrades. Sniper flop. 5 years I'm a stay at. Hot shoe. They set up tough and on a sideways drop. Atlanta me full of contracts. Portfolio fi stop. Me want the margin can't to stop. You can't go great without drawdowns. I know you fi want gains without capital. Me did get margin call. And low me crawl. Cheer for did broken bar. Trading upgrade. 100 million a term chains. Me PL and run gain. Bears don't know where the market's going. A bull on you see the wick from upstairs. The thing upgrade. 2 years contracts. So attack posters. Bell ring on exchange. StellieTrades. So go a beat with some tough trade. Yo, Stellie on the tracks, so it's a banger. Y'all hear me? 100 contracts walking, yes, so trade man sharp like a Bloomberg top. Coffee in a cup, portfolio pack. Futures me trade, live a whole a bad luck. Me no enter no position if me can't set a stop. Pull up the charts, then the market mash up. ES and the NQ a bus. Full of losing trade, but a profit me I go. Rich but we navigate the darkest drawdown. Charts and string, me no know how me turn up. Money can't fit in a one account, so me have to diversify it with leverage now. Trading upgrade, 100 million a futures account. PTR and run gains. Brooklyn traders don't know what the charts say. A long position, you see the trend from upstairs. The thing upgrade. A two contracts to attack out smart play. charts, so it's a banger. Yeah, hear me? 100 contracts walking your sup. Trade man sharp like a Bloomberg top. Coffee in a cup, portfolio pack. Futures me trade live a whole a bad luck. Me no enter no position if me can't set a stop. Pull up the charts, then the market mash up. ES and the NQ a bus. Full of losing trade, but a profit me I go. Rich but we navigate the darkest drawdown. Charts and string, me no know how me turn up. Money can't fit in a one account, so me have to diversify it with leverage now. Trading no upgrade, 100 million a futures account. PTR and run gains. Brooklyn traders don't know what the charts say. A long position, you see the trend from upstairs. The thing upgrade. A two contracts to attack out smart plays. Then ring on exchange. StellieTrades. I go a beat with some tough trade. StellieTrades. Snipe off flop. 5 years I'm a stay up. Hot to shoot. Yo, Stellie on the charts, so it's a banger. Yeah, hear me? Yo, Stellie on the charts, so it's a banger. Yeah, hear me? 100 contracts walking your sup. Trade man sharp like a Bloomberg top. Coffee in a cup, portfolio pack. Futures me trade live a whole a bad luck. Me no enter no position if me can't set a stop. Pull up the charts, then the market mash up. ES and the NQ a bus. Full of losing trade, but a profit me I go. Rich but we navigate the darkest drawdown. Charts and string, me no know how me turn up. Money can't fit in a one account, so me have to diversify it with leverage now. Trading no upgrade, 100 million a futures account. PTR and run gains. Brooklyn traders don't know what the charts say. A long position, you see the trend from upstairs. The thing upgrade. A two contracts to attack out smart plays. Then ring on exchange. StellieTrades. I go a beat with some tough trade. StellieTrades. Snipe off flop. 5 years I'm a stay up. Hot to shoot. They set up tougher than a sideways drop. Atlanta me full of contracts. Portfolio fi stop. Me want the margin can't to stop. You can't go break without drawdowns. I know you fi want gains without capital. Me did get margin call. And low me crawl. Cheer for. Did broke on bar. Trading upgrade. 100 million a term change. Me PL and run gain. Bears don't know where the market's going.
Good morning. So we are we're a few minutes away from market open. Not sure how this thing's gonna play out. Mainly because right now this thing is pumping up, but we did have CPI this morning. So about 8:30 for the US CPI, as you can see on the economic calendar. So yeah, it should be interesting. So I actually traded to my accounts last night, and made base hits on those accounts. So if there's an opportunity that presents itself for me to go ahead and get some trades in, I'll go ahead and do that. But if not, it's all good. Is it on? Is it on? Is it on? Is it? See, I just realized that well, let me not say just realized. My trades, I left them open initially, and of course, we had some account that expired. But we still have a few left. Got funded as well as a few more $3 left. So I traded last night, was able to go ahead and get some basics. Actually got stuck in a trade last night. So I went up to like a 20 lot in order to get out. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and the goal is to, it's so enticing to want to buy up here, but when I look at the footprint chart, it'd be crazy to buy up here. Because the highest number is 81. I don't think we have, I don't think we have a high point on this. Oh no, we do, because I have some lines on this chart already. Now where is it? I have no idea. So it sounds crazy to buy up here, mainly because if you look, I'm showing over here. I don't think we hit those lines, but I could be wrong. So we got 10 minutes flat. 10 minutes flat before the market open. Yeah, we did hit 31. So we did about this whole 31 flat, and this was June 16th. We tapped again on June 22nd, about 4 a.m. in the morning. So we got some ways to go. It can happen. It can definitely happen. So with that being said, I'm just gonna be patient. I'm not gonna hop into anything. I'm probably not gonna trade these other accounts just because I made my base hits. And I keep thinking back on like what leads to payouts, and honestly, it's base hits for me. So I think I just want to stick to that. It's good to definitely come in and make like big wins, but then I have big losses as well. On the opposite, now if I get base hits and I'm like, hey, you know what? I'm not gonna go into drawdown. I'm just gonna get my base hits and go. Then I make it to pay out faster. So I am just going to stick to base hits. And the thing is, this thing can keep pushing. It's so strong. All of this could have just been a pullback. So this right here and this right here could just been a pullback to go higher, right? So when you look at all this, I hate messing with my little chart. You look at all this, you see how this came up. So this whole thing was just a pullback. And you came up here, down here, come back up, go down. So all this is just a pullback in order to go higher. So with that being said, looking at this, it could very well reject this like it did here. It could reject this, come down, test it again, and come back. But it's already rejected it once. So yeah, or you could actually come up and hit right here. This is about 57.75. This area right here. Or it could just crash. You gotta remember, CPI is what caused a lot of this today. So we were what, down here? It's having an 8. See about right here. So this entire move right here, CPI. So I just want to make sure I keep my patience in my front pocket and not in my back pocket. Let's see what's popping. Alright, let me go back to mine. I like to see it on the 30 and then the 13. So right now, see, and it's already pulling back. So it's not telling what's gonna happen right now. So I'm gonna let the market open and do its thing. It's still tension. It's like, oh, just get a little piece. So I wanted to real quick. I want to go back to my trade yesterday. Like looking at this, it's like it's kind of crazy. It's like, girl, why don't you just get out? But I think this is last night. No, it was last night. This is the trade I made on this account initially. So I was trading all through here, but then we tapped this. And before I could even get out, I sized up. If I had never sized up, this is like 415. If I had never sized up, I would have been out. Because I got in around these areas, but in this particular account, I was already out. So yesterday, if I had never sized up, and you can see this move happening, but it just had to take it all the way down there. And this was actually on TPO. This was the lower level that I had called out. I sized up, thinking that it was just gonna go up straight, but instead it carried me down here. And I think I had, this is if I kept a 5 lot. I think I had at that time a 10 lot. So from right here to right here, it literally wiped me out at 2. Or some 2 and change, let's call it. So blue, and then came right up. This is 415. So at 415, well, of course I wouldn't hunt up. But it is what it is. You gotta get these account passed and you get to fund it. Alright, we got about 3 minutes. 3 minutes to market open. I'm just gonna grab some more. I'll be right back, y'all.
Yo, Stellie on the tracks, so it's a banger. Yeah, hear me? 100 contracts walking your so trade man sharp like a Bloomberg top. Coffee in a cup, portfolio pop. Future me trade never will a bad luck. Me no enter no position if me can't set a stop. Pull up the charts, then the market mash up. ES and the NQ a bust. Full of losing trade, but a profit me a go. Rich but we navigate the darkest drawdown. Charts on stream, me no know how me turn up. Money can't fit in a one account, so me have to diversify it with leverage now. Trading no upgrade, 100 million a futures account. Me PA and run gains. Brooklyn traders don't know what the charts say. A long position, you see the trend from upstairs. The thing upgrade, a 2 contracts to a talk out smart plays. Bell ring on, exchange, StellieTrades. I go a beat with some tough trade. StellieTrades, sniper flop. 5 years I'm a stay up. Hot as shoe, they set up
Alright, and we are back with a market open. Let's see if this thing falls back down.
Yo, Stellie on the tracks. So it's a banger.
It's not gonna trick me. I do think it might fall back down. There we go. But I don't know how far. I don't know how far. Okay, we're past the rock. Yes, we're past the rock. So we did have a PSC move down here, so let's see. Gonna let it ride, but I didn't even like this the way it zeroed out right here. Let's see if we can get back. Okay, we're gonna crash that. I don't like the way ES is moving. ES had some strong pressure to the downside, but it started going back up. Can we make this? Can we make this? PSC is sitting right here, and also for footprint, it's also up here as well. So I just don't want to swing back on me. Literally came past that entry. It came past my entry. Let me see what this 5 minute does. If she's gonna witness what she got going on. And after that rejection up there, this is exactly why I wasn't bought in for the buy immediately. Because in a 5 lot, I did get it for a buy up here. I think it was going to pull back a little bit. I've been down on stock and all. So I could get a piece of it, but I'll see what this ends like. It could very well be another strong candle to the downside. But once this one closes, it could very well go back up and tap that level again. So let me first pull that and see what happens there. POC is still down here to the downside. No. It left me. No, don't leave me. This is what I didn't want to see. This is exactly what I did not want to see. You're too little now. I'm looking for it to like press down into here, and this was a good 124, but we still got 9 minutes left. I don't like the way this thing is moving right now. Yeah, I hate the way this thing is moving right now. And I didn't look, but on the TPO it got to 862. So this pull, what I didn't want to happen is happening right now. And I'm probably gonna close this trade out. Trying to give it some room, but I don't like to see this at all. I'm probably gonna have to close this trade out. And that's the thing about intern right here. Like sometimes you can get choked. I don't like the way how ES is moving either, because ES is not helping and keep us down. See, now we're down what, 500 on this?
Yo, Stellie on the tracks. So it's a banger. Yeah, hear me? 100 contracts walking your stuff. Trade man sharp like a Bloomberg top. Coffee in a cup, portfolio.
Alright. Got about 7 minutes left on this candle. I'm just trying to go green. Let's see if she can do another push down. She could do another push down. And at least this half of this POC is right here, so she could do another push down. Or she could just keep going up. Okay. I need to have some momentum to the downside though, like this, but not pulling back. It's pulling back a little too much for me. I don't particularly like to see that. Like this is a huge pullback. Hopefully to spook some people out. Like I was about to get out, but I needed to slam down for the downside. Like I shouldn't even be able to put a stop loss in here. It should just be able to crash. See this? I don't like it. Like, ES is not helping us at all. ES is not looking that good. And even our delta is now on ES is turning green. I need that delta to be red. It's pulling up. Still got 6 minutes, so let's see. Still got 6 minutes on this candle. The worst part about like the trade is not even putting on the trade, it's literally waiting and being patient in the trade. And I have been trying to get better at that forever now. So if it could just give us this again, this I don't like. I'm gonna have to put a stop loss in it because I really don't like it. I don't like that. I'm really good. Either the new candle or a bigger pullback. I don't like what happened. It's probably gonna crash down now, but this so back and forth. This thing went from all the way here to up here on a 5 lot, just like down 762. See, this is exactly where I got out right here. I just don't like this. It might crash down now. We did this little pullback here, but I don't want to be a part of that. There we go. And then you definitely don't want to be trying to buy from here. if it's literally going down. See, this is what I wanted. But now it's at the bottom. Wings are below the 80s, so what's my throat is itchy. So we got 4 minutes left. 4 minutes. I only need 150. Obviously, like 50.
So it's a banger. Yeah, hear me? 100 contracts walking your so trade man sharp like a Bloomberg top. Coffee in a cup portfolio pop. Futures me trade never will a bad luck. Me no enter no position if me can't set a stop. Pull up the charts, then the market mash up. ES and the NQ a bus. Full of losing trades, but a profit me a go. Rich but we navigate the darkest drawdown. Charts and stream, me no know how me turn up. Money can't fit in a one account, so me have to diversify it with leverage now. Trading no upgrade, 100 million a futures account. Me PL and run gains. Brooklyn traders don't know what the charts say. A long position, you see the trend from upstairs. The thing upgrade, a 2 contracts to a top one place. Bell ring on, exchange, StellieTrades. I go a beat with some top trade. StellieTrades.
We're not tapping down there again. Come on, you got it. Come on. Just do one good push. That is 2 minutes up on this candle. I should have watched that. It's 2 minutes left on this candle. I don't trust it now. It's 2 minutes left on this candle. I'm gonna trust that. I need this thing to push down, you know what I mean? Like down, down. ES, what you got? So Delta on ES just turned well, not just turned, but it's negative. Delta on NQ is also negative. So let's see if she can get to the bottom of at least the tip of this candle here to then knock me out.
100 contracts walking your so trade man sharp like a Bloomberg top. Coffee in a cup portfolio pop. Futures me trade never will a bad luck. Me no enter no position if me can't set a stop. Pull up the charts, then the market mash up. ES
Come on, less than a minute. Come on, you got it. You got it, less than a minute. Good now, man. Right now it's at POC. This better not be the day it gives us a Judas lane. Yeah, it give us a Judas lane in a minute. Well, yes, there might be one. Come on, man. 33 seconds. Just slam down. Get us out. Like, what are we doing? We got 33 seconds on this thing. Nope, she doesn't want to. 10 seconds. I don't like what this thing is trying to do. Okay, we got a new candle coming. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like it at all. I don't like this at all. Oh my gosh. I don't like this at all. It just zeroed out. No. No. She just zeroed out on me. She's trying to go up. I gotta crash to a zero. Back out. We made another one. Okay, come on, come on. No, don't be zeroing out. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Oh my gosh. Story of my life. That's all it did was give me this. Funny $50. There's a part of me that wants to just so we got a POC, half of the POC down there, so that's good. It should hit. But let's look at the silliness that's going on. So I hope that wasn't the wick forming to go up. That would make me really sad. Oh, I think it is. Oh! Oh my gosh. The way this market plays with me. Oh. It's so sad. It's like unbelievably sad the way this market plays with me. Like to do that, and this is exactly why I see profit, I take profit. I didn't even try to like tap out. I did not even try to tap out, and this could just be a long ass pullback to go higher. ES is still trying to push down, but NQ for some reason or another wants to go up. So yeah, it didn't really have heavy prints at the bottom of this POC, so like about right here and below, it didn't have heavy prints, so it went up. I don't know, y'all. This, yeah. If I could have been in and out, that would have been great, but now it looks like it wants to try and go to the upside. If we get one more good retest here, which it looks like we're not getting, yeah, it's not looking good at all. Yeah. So immediately I'm down 800 right now. Immediately. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see what happens here. This is not looking good for sure. I'm not sure if this, I don't think this is gonna be able to hold. I want to say this, I'm talking about my account. I don't think my account is gonna be able to hold it to come down. This very well may slide it down. We have half of the POC up. Yeah, it looks like it's a dundo. It's a dundo. It is a dundo. Let's see if she try to come back down. Probably not gonna get down that low. I don't want to add to this. I think I can survive with a 5 lot if we do get a pullback down. I might end up closing this. ES is giving a really strong indication that it's supposed to the upside. Don't like that at all. But you never know. It's what, 950? This could have just been a pullback if this thing wants to go lower, just because it tapped that level up there. So this could be a pullback to the lower. That's the thing. You get more momentum around this time, but it's nasty work, man. It's nasty work. And there's no real, and I thought about coming in with a 1 lot, because I'm like, yo, you already came in with a 5 lot. You made some bread. Like, just go with a 1 lot and get out. You know, like if I went in with a 1 lot, I probably would have been in a 2 lot by now, because I would have added, and then I could add another 2 lots. So total, I would have been in a 4 lot. But no, the girl over here, like, you know, she gonna do these. So this is pulling down, but on a way, or I don't have an indication that this thing is supposed to be going up. Looks like it's still going up. So I'm not really sure, and this one just moved up. So I think this is more or less of a pullback to go up. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. She could be trying to trick everybody. She could be trying to trick everybody. And now both POCs move down. That's the thing. You get the momentum, but boy, that thing was sending through the ringer. You hear me? Hey man, that thing's sending through the ringer. So POC is down here, but she's still trying to push up. Everything I'm seeing right now, still trying to push up. And this is at the bottom. We're on the 30 and 1 hour. Even down, no, not 4 hour. At 30 and a 1 hour, looking like it wants to push down. But the level where it's at is right at the 20, so. Sure. Even on 15, the thing looked like it wants to go up. The lowest I'm gonna go with is 5. Even on the 5, it's close to go up to. You like the 15 to watch it. Yeah, I don't think it wants to come back down here. I mean, it could, but I think she's gonna pull up some heartstrings first. It's just it's not that much volume down there. So we got 5 minutes left on this candle. Let's see if it comes down, at least try to retest somewhere around here. Part of me just wants to get out of this, but that's normally what happens. I normally get out when I'm right before I go into profit. So let's see if it can hit. I feel like every time I go to close my trades, it goes the opposite way. So I'm trying not to be too hasty. But here we go. See, it's back up again. So that's what I'm saying. Like, that's momentum for you. And that's why I started, like, waking up. Maybe around this time, like 10. Let the momentum die down a bit. Let it, start moving a little bit smoother. However, if you get some of these moves and you like hope, like if I hold this trade down here for the sell, I would have been fine. It's just the way it was just moving a little too risky for me. when these 2 or 3 candles form, you kind of know, all right, cool, it's either headed in this direction or it might turn around. So sometimes I used to wake up on this time, hop on the charts maybe around 11 and do the reversal and get them for the lunch trade. And I don't want to add to this, because if I add to this and it just happen to pop up at the last minute, then I'm going to trade with a 10 lot. I might as well be on NQ. So that's why I'm not adding to it right now. And these movements is one of the main reasons why a lot of people, they just stick to this is so crazy. This didn't work. Like, why are you not? You see, every time I go to close it, this is one of the reasons why a lot of people like Asian session better, because when you go through Asian session, you don't deal with a lot of it. Like, it's just in and you out kind of thing, you know? The fact that this thing will come, I don't know, if you come right there and not hit me out, it's crazy work. Alright, so all these accounts right now is over the daily threshold. So I got about 1 hour. I have about 1 hour to trade. What I am going to do, I'm gonna batch these accounts again, except I'm only gonna batch my none of my funded. I'm only gonna batch my my eval. I'm gonna batch the evals and just trade them in one swoop. But I'm gonna take really good trades. Like this trade right here, I mentioned earlier about the previous levels. Right, and the highest one we have was like 31 flat. So I mentioned this, so I didn't know if it was gonna tap this level that it did here. Yeah. So all of this, and there was one that was like 31,000 flat, I think back in June. So all of this is July and August. So wasn't clear if it was going to come and tap right here and go back down, which you passed it a little bit, but then you also have this one here and this right here, right? So it came right below it, right above this, to form this high of the day. So now when we look at that, all of this CPI news, it came back and got all of this. Not all, but all is relative. Came back and got majority of it, which is to be expected. But sometimes if the market has some really good news, what can happen is it can do this and then pop up, or it could just nothing at open and then just pop up. So for me, knowing that, I'm like, all right, cool, I want to see like a strong movement. I did not expect this really came to it right here. It's really strong pullback, but it did it. Strong pullback and then down. I was actually able to get out, and now look at it again. So on an account, if I'm, I don't trust this. It looked like it wants to go down, but I really don't trust it. I think it could come right here and then go back up. Unless we just have some really horrible news.
something happens in a market, I don't trust that at all. I thought about getting a Google phone, but I don't know. I'm like, Apple has me in a, I won't say in a chokehold. I just feel like Apple just, yeah, I don't know. I don't think I can get a Google phone. And looking at Google phone every day, it's like, oh, dang, life was great at Google, but they decided that they want to lay me off. So it's like, I don't think I could get a Google phone. Anybody I've seen with like a Pixel at all, they tend to brag. And I had a Pixel at one point. I was a beta tester at one point. While I was there, and it was a cool phone. The picture quality is fire. The picture quality is 100% fire. So but yeah, that's all I got. Like, my accounts are done for the day. I just don't believe this is coming down. It could very well come down. It looked like it is, but I just feel like it's a fake out. It's a fake out to go out, especially because this one, well, let's see. Well, oh, I am so on the wrong time frame. Good God Almighty. What am I doing? I can't believe I just traded on 30. I don't think this thing is going down for the rest of the day. It could. But as of right now, I think all of this is just a little game. What's crazy, Nvidia is up. Let's see what she does. I'm probably only gonna stream for an hour. It's about, because I have, once again, I'm off, so I have all these appointments. I want to get one off there where I'm just like doing nothing. Like, I try to want to do nothing after, except like read or study or something. But I have an appointment, so I do have to leave the house by 11. So therefore, I will not be able to be on here all day. Okay. She proving me wrong. She proving me she could go down. And these, I just want to get base hits on these. But if the opportunity presents itself, like if this was a trend in market and this thing was just like going up and like this right here, oh, let me say this. Like if this thing was just shooting up and like coming back down, shooting up, coming back down, shooting up, coming back down, and never like breaking this chart, perfect. And if you look at the overnight session, that's exactly what it did. from and this is why I don't like particularly pay attention to like hindsight traders, because when you look at 215 from yesterday all the way, so pretty much when I was leaving the house, double down in size. Woohoo! When you looked at that all the way up, you held, and this is why I need to get back to like doing my personal account. You held this and you just waited for the low and you just held it overnight and everything to 8:30 a.m. this morning. That's 2,300. See? But look at what it's doing right now. It came down here for one. It passed this level. Let you think, oh yeah, it's from a low, and go right back up. The prints down there are so small. This right here stopped. This print that's from right here to right here on the TPO chart, that number is 7,032. From here to here, it's 20,000. Here to here, 36. Here to here, 24. Here to here, 8. And 10. Then above it, 1,800. The prints can grow, but it's no way it's gonna go from 20, 37,000, 20 all the way down to 7, then 5, then 3, then no. That just don't even that don't even look right. Unless something horrible happens in the market, I just don't see this thing going on today. And I know Nvidia hasn't been so much of a indicator as of recent, but Nvidia is actually up on the day. And Nvidia has its earnings on the 26th. So we'll see. We'll see how she goes. Yeah, y'all. I'm actually gonna head out early. How long have I been on stream right now? This would be good. I'll look back on this and be like, oh my gosh, I was on stream for a little while because I made all of my money, all of my base hits. Part of me wants to just buy another account, but I gotta stop getting all these accounts and focus on the one that I have, especially my funded. But those I already traded those. No, this thing's gonna go up. For the fun of it, for the heck of it, I'm gonna put in. Let's see something. I want to put in a one lot and just no. I don't. Yeah, I'm gonna. This is not what I want to see today. I'm probably gonna call it here. ES is going down. It's flatlining on Williams R. Look like it wants to go up, but ES is going down. ES have made really a lower low, and I do see some sellers down there. So it's not correlating today between ES and NQ. It's just not the day I want. Shit, I'm happy I got my base hits already. Look at this. Now this is a good indicator. It might fall though, so but it could close out these zeros anytime. Yeah, it's a lot of indecision in the market right now. a lot of indecision in the market.
Yo, Stellie on the tracks. So it's a banger. Yeah, hear me? 100 contracts walking your so trade man sharp like a Bloomberg top. Coffee in a cup, portfolio pack. Futures me trade.
Hey, CT Gracie, how are you? Hola. Yeah, definitely. Good for quick scalps. I was able to get all of my base hits, so as much as it's tempting to wanna get back in this market, I'm trying to stay out. I really am trying to stay out. Oh, nice. You're back stateside? That's awesome. I haven't been to China yet. It's definitely on the list, though. Oh. Yeah, you definitely don't want to overtrade. I'm trying not to today. I really am trying not to today. I'm probably just gonna cut this stream short. So definitely don't want to overtrade. Oh, you've been stateside for 2 weeks? Or you've been overtrading for 2 weeks? Man, that's a long journey. How long is that? JFK to Japan, that's what? Shouldn't, that's what, 8 hours? A little over 8? That's more than a working day, right? And then to China. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I actually started last night, I'm not gonna lie. Started last night. I feel like it's more momentum during New York session, so I started trading New York session. However, if I see a move happening overnight, I size down and then I trade. 30 hours total. Oh, wow. 30 hours total. Bangkok to Japan, Japan to JFK. Man, you should, like, what do you do on that long flight? That's 30 hours, well, that long journey. Yeah, that's a good price though. A little over 1,000 round trip. That's a really good price. I know people paid like $10,000 just to get to the other side of the pond. Yeah, that's a move. Sizing down and quick scalps is definitely the move. When it comes to Asian or London session. I'm not really up to a London session like that. By then I'm already in bed. But that's definitely the move. But only if I see something that, you know, was worth getting into. Grab a book, podcast, journal is nice. Yeah, you definitely have a lot of time to do some reading or some things you've always wanted to do but keep putting it off. Good stuff. Gotta ask you for some recommendations when I get back on my vacation binge. It was good, man. I went to Athens. I did a post about it. Went to Athens and up in St. John after, well, went to use Virgin Islands. St. John, St. Thomas, Athens. I was in Polanco, Mexico City. So definitely did some traveling this summer. It's, you know, it's always good to enjoy the fruits of your labor, right? So definitely good to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Yeah, so I did go to Europe. I'd never been to, so this year I was able to go to London. I was able to go to Athens. I mean, the food, oh my gosh. Like, I don't have to tell you. I mean, you've been overseas, so you know the food is completely different. Just tastes so much better, in my humble opinion. Really, pizza? Yeah, so I mean, from pizza to fruits, you name it, like it's so much better overseas. So I really enjoyed eating. I ate a lot, but it was like a lot of good quality food. I didn't feel bloated or anything. It was really good. Oh yeah, super clean. Super clean. How's the food in China? So we just got Crypto Fear and Greed Index. It's 27. In terms of fear, yesterday it's 29. Now it's 27. It's just like last week. Last week was 27. Last month was 28. So it's still about the same. There were a lot of people not really wanting to get into crypto if they're not in yet. Food in China, oily, really? Carbs but cheap. In terms of price moving around lunchtime, you know, let's take a look at the economic calendar. When I looked earlier, I didn't see anything. CPI is already gone, so I think our huge move for the day was around at 8:30. But of course, you know, it likes to, whatever big move happens, what I normally see is that it likes to retrace that move. So with CPI happening at 8:30, that spike up. This spike up here, I don't know about spike up, more like a spike down and up. So it came all the way down here and went all the way up here, right? And it just kept going up until before the market opened. A market open, it literally reclaimed everything. But what I didn't want to anticipate was the reclaim, mainly because sometimes if there's some good news out there or something is about to happen, market makers will push the market up, right? Before that retracement actually comes. So we could have easily went to, let's see, We could have easily went to this level up here. Yeah, we could have easily went to this level up here to like 54, 30, 54. We passed this, which was good. We passed this one in all of the CPI saga. Then we came right back down. And I don't know if you noticed, but this is now served as a pullback, right? So I never got out of the sell, but even these cells like struggle a little bit to get out of. Pullback, pullback, pullback. I honestly didn't see this coming. What I thought was gonna happen, I thought that we're gonna pull it back, retrace this move. They may retrace this entire move before they go up. There's nothing really in the market to, I mean, the war, it's been going on for quite some time. There's nothing really in the market to push this all the way to the downside. I just don't see it. Noodles and soups are great. Dumplings are too. I love me some dumplings. Oh man. Yeah, so I stopped trading right at the open. It's still relatively close to it, but I at least like to let the 5-minute candle go by before I just trade right at the open. I'm sorry to hear that though. Maybe change your chart to a 30-minute. Yeah, so I typically like to stay to the 15 because you can see the movement a lot better, but I definitely did not realize I was trading on a 30-minute. But I kind of liked it. It helped me in the sense that because these candles didn't change, I wasn't too afraid. So I stayed in. Like I probably would have been spooked out a little bit. I probably would have gotten out right here because of this candle. But I waited all down here and then eventually got out. So I made a little bit above what I wanted to make. Yeah, the market is just not. If you caught it at the open in the right direction, it got exactly to about a little over 30,000. So do you see it here where it got like to about 30,000? So it got to about 30,1, if you want to call it that, and then just pull back down. So if we look at this on a 5-minute, which I never look at it on a 5-minute, but if we look at it on a 5-minute, we do 930, which would be like right here. Popped it up, went all the way down, came down, popped it up again, came back down, popped it up, came down, popped it up, came down, pop it up again. But in the grand scheme of things, if you're looking at a holistic picture of this thing, this is why I don't think it's going to go all the way down today. You have all of this that's trending up. It could be poised to go to the downside. However, this could also just be a pullback to go higher, right? So when you start opening it up, it's like, okay, we pull back, pull back, pull back. Or you can look at this just like it did here, just like it did here. All of this could be a pullback just to go higher. Unless it really drops all the way past these levels and really, I would say go below 29.8. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced that this thing is ready to go any lower. I don't want to say any lower, but lower. Like in a full-on downtrend. Yeah, I do believe it could go to 29.8 for sure. I know there are a good amount of people who's, you know, wanting it to go lower and wanting all these stocks to go lower so they can get some more stock. It's the 12th of August. I would have thought that we would have been on an up and up in terms of stock market by now. We probably would have hit another all-time high, but not yet. Not yet. Let's see what we got here. See, now it's going back up. But it just zeroed out, so I don't even trust this thing to keep going up. It could arrange. Yeah, this is not what I expected. I expected some really good momentum in one direction. But if you look, this thing has pretty much been going back and forth in this little range here. It's gonna break out eventually. Where? We don't know. But this little box has been going on for quite some time. What would be good is if it can at least tap 30 again, just so that way some people could get out if they're still in, hanging on to it. Ooh, I just remember. I'm not gonna get into any trades. I'm not gonna lie, I was looking for something, but my OCD when trading is what normally gets me caught up. And I'm like, oh man, all these accounts, I'm gonna try and get all of them to the same number. This is what normally gets me caught up. So I'm not even gonna do it. And this thing is just ranging back and forth. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna call it. I do have some things I gotta take care of. Gotta follow up with some tenants. I don't know why this month it's just, yeah. I've had some issues with some tenants and gotta do some follow-ups and do some calls on that. Uh-oh, she's come back down. So I'm gonna do that before I head out to my appointment. I wanted it to hit 30K too. Even if I'm not in a trade, I know there are probably a lot of traders that, you know, got stuck up there. So if it can hit that level and get them out, why not, man? A one lot MNQ on this entire thing is about $300. So hopefully y'all get to get out. Oh yeah, CT Gracie, you gotta have Listen, my trading is not my full-time thing yet, but trading is expensive. It doesn't have to be, but if you want to be at the top of your game, want to be able to really get some payouts, produce a lot of results, it's really expensive. So, in my opinion, so I definitely have to have other sources of income in order to fund my trading and be able to be profitable. But you have a good day as well. Blessings on your journey from JFK to, I think you said it was Japan and then Bangkok. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Are we seeing this? So NQ got stuck, but ES like dropped. What just happened? What's our headline? Inventory report?
Contracts walking your sup, trade man sharp like a Bloomberg top. Coffee in a cup, portfolio pop. Future me trade never will a bad luck. Me no enter no position if me can't set a stop. Pull up the charts, then the market mash up. ES and the NQ a bus. Full of losing trade, but a profit me a go. Rich but we
So for crypto, it's fair. For stocks, it's greed. We got the US has total control over the Strait of Hormuz. I think we'll keep it. All right. There we go. I'm like, there had to have been something that was said. So Trump is talking. I'm done. I'm definitely not trading for the rest of the day. On a 5 lot, if anybody was gonna buy, even up here, they would have been down 1,000 instantly. And now trying to recover. Yeah. This is nuts. This is nuts. Yeah, I'm definitely not touching these accounts for the rest of the day. Trump, Iran cannot challenge U.S. naval blockade. Everyone calls it a wall of steel. All right, y'all. TT Gracie, best of luck to you. Enjoy the U.S. as you are here. Blessings on your journey going back. Have a good day. I appreciate it. It was good being away, just enjoying, but I'm super excited to be back. I know it'd probably be kind of tough to catch me on the New York session, but I may pop in and do a few evening sessions every now and again. Oh yeah, I'm happy you're done too as well. Yeah, at least it's not like that Trump tweet. I don't think he had another tweet that moved the market like that as well. Yeah, that was crazy. I think there was it might have been you, somebody who said that they want, was you who was on stream with me, and then our accounts expired after that. Yeah, if you want to keep up with the news, I mean, Financial Juice is what I have over here in the top corner. If you want to keep up with it, that's where I get all of my news from. They'll give you all the headlines. They'll also give you the economic calendar. I'm not sure if you're well versed with them, but that's the economic calendar. And then that's the headlines right here. So Trump tweeted again, Iran has no money, faces 300% inflation, and it's all talk and no action on Truth Social. So there you have it. You can head to the gym. Yeah, head to the gym. Go ahead and get a good workout in. I appreciate it. Yeah, good luck on my tents. Wait, you 6K in payouts? How did you lose 6K in payouts? Why didn't you close it? So it's called Financial Juice. Let me type it up for you. You lost 6K, and I'm saying, why didn't you close it, right? But here's the thing, like, I've been so close to payouts before, and I think I needed like maybe 20 bucks, and I just watched my account just go down, and to me, I felt like it was too, exactly, deer in headlights. I felt like it was too late because I had lost so much. I'm like, no, it's gonna come back, it's gonna come back, which that's what I'm working on. A lot of times I'll see the movement in the market, I'll call it, and I'll say, no, I think it's going to do this instead. And I'll just go completely rogue against my actual plan and end up, like you said, being a deer in headlights. Aw, man. But listen, man, it's a new month. It's 12th, but almost mid-month. Hopefully you're able to go ahead and get those accounts back up and running. I know when I had a few accounts when I went on vacation, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna trade these accounts when I get back, right? So if you're on vacation now, I would not overtrade. I know you said you overtraded today. I would not overtrade. I would just lock in and have fun, enjoy your time with your friends and family, and then when you go back, then say, all right, cool, I'm gonna lock in, I'm gonna set some times. One of the main reasons why I'm stopping now is because, one, I have an appointment, but two, I also said I don't want to trade for the full day. When you start to overtrade, at least for me, when I started to overtrade a lot is when I started to lose a lot of my accounts. If I'm saying, okay, I'm going to trade from this time to this time, I'm not going to go past that. If I'm going to trade, I'm going to try and keep it open, but also cutting out losses is one major thing I think we all have to work on. I know me for sure. Cutting my losses is tough. It's so tough. Yeah, so I would say try this. Try to give it like at least let the 5-minute close, and then assess the direction. So if the 5-minute closes and it's like going down still, it's all right, cool. Wait for a pullback before you get in. 5-minute closes, it's going up. Wait for a pullback before you get in, and then if you can ride that momentum, sure. But if there's no momentum, then I'll probably just stay out completely at the open. So you lost 10 accounts after that? Oh man, I'm sorry. But listen, like you said, you know, you're building this thing up. I think you told me like you're building this thing up to eventually be able to do this full time. It happens to all of us. The only way you can fail is if you quit. That's the only way. Like, see, you're getting a payout next week. Speak it into existence. You're getting a payout next week. You're getting a payout next week. Once you get your payout, come back and let me know. Like, hey girl, I got my payout. This thing is trying to move up again, but it's also trying to move, like, yeah. If I were you, I would stay out this market. I know, for me, I'm done for the day. I am done. And when you look at the prints as well, the prints on TPO, right at POC, about right here. So from right here to right here is where all of the volume is, about 55,000. Above it, so from right here to right here is about 38. You got 28, and everything is pretty much just single, like 8,000, 5,000. You have 12,000, 3,000. Everything at the bottom here is like no volume really. It's like from here on down, it's like no volume. Here on up, it's no volume. Like, I wouldn't even, yeah. I'm not saying that the volume can't increase, but I wouldn't even trust it. But alright. Peace, love, and happy trading. Gotta go. It was great chatting with you. And yeah. See you in the next one. Bye.